Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nelson from Webbo Digital World. Quickly, I'm just going to teach on whiteboard animation using Benime App. That's this app over here. This is it. Using this app. Now, how you get this app is that you go to Play Store, you click on the link on the search icon, and you type in Benime. Then when you type in Benime, it's going to show you this icon here, this icon at the circle here. Then all you have to do is to download, install, and you are ready to go. So let's just click on the app. Alright, when you click on it on the first time, this is how it's going to look like. All you have to do is to click on this icon here, this plus icon, so you can start creating a video. So I'm going to click on it. So now it's asking us for a title, so let's call this tutorial 1. Yeah, tutorial 1, because I doubt we'll be able to use one video for this course. Yeah, because I don't want my videos to be long. That's just why. I believe if the videos are short and broken into segments, people tend to understand more. So for this video, all I'll be doing is that I'll be explaining the various icons you need to know while using this app. The various icons, I'm talking about these icons here and this one down here. So this is what we'll be doing. We'll be seeing their functions and how to use them. So the first icon I'll be talking about will be the sticker icon. That's this icon here, sticker. Now when you click on this icon, you'll be able to add images to your whiteboard. You'll be able to add simulation to your whiteboard. You'll be able to add whatever thing you want to add to your whiteboard depending on the content you are creating. When I click on it, you understand more. Now the next icon I'll be explaining is the text icon. When you click on this icon, you'll be able to type anything you want to type on your whiteboard. For example, you want to say hello. For example, you want to explain a product. For example, you want to talk about a seminar, talk about a training, a course that you are advertising. You can actually type whatever you want to, whatever information you want to pass. You can actually type it when you click on the text icon. The next icon here is the background, the BG icon. Now when you click on this icon, you'll be able to change the background. Maybe you don't want to use a whiteboard, or you want to use a white background, you want to use another color. Because it's a whiteboard animation, a lot of persons think it's just white background. You know, it's not just white background. You can even download background from your gallery, that's from your phone. Maybe you are doing a content for kids or an advert for children. All you have to do is to download and maybe a background that has ABCD, or a background that has that's looking childish, that has cartoons like Barney. Just depend on the content you are creating. Actually, you just have to be creative when using video editing platforms, or video creating platforms. So the next one is going to be this hand icon. You know, now when you click on this icon, you'll be able to change the hand that will be typing the write-up. You'll be able to change the hand. When you click on it, you see various hands you can choose for and various pen you can choose from. So the next one I'll be explaining will be the music icon. When you click on the music icon, it's going to show you two options. The first option is for you to upload a song or a track from your phone, from your gallery. Then the second option is for you to record whatever information you want to send. Maybe you want to say something about what you're advertising. You can do a voice record when you click on the music icon. So the last icon I'll be explaining will be this plus icon down here. Now when you click on this icon, you'll be able to add pages to your animation depending on the page you want to, that will be needed for you to pass the information you're going to pass. Mind you want to be careful, because the pages you use for whiteboard animation should be much. I will explain that in the videos we'll be doing after now. But when you click on this button, you're going to add pages to your animation. So let's just try them out. First of all, let's try the sticker button. And you see it's giving me options. It's telling me that I can add an image from my gallery, I can use an emoji, I can use an animation, depending on what I want to use. And also, you see, you can actually move sideways, and it'll be showing different options. See, these you can use this thing for creating content, that shapes. You can come to this business section. There's a lot of stimulation you can use here. This education, these animations. See, these are actually amazing. You can pick anyone from here to explain whatever you are doing. Let's just take, there are so many. There are many, there are more, and I'm able to access whatever I want to access in this app because I'm using the pro version. So if you are downloading from Play Store, yours might be showing pro. All you have to do is to pay for the pro version. If you want the pro version, you can say something on my comment section. I'm going to see it and I'm going to reply you ASAP. So let's click on this guy riding a bicycle. Now you can see it has appeared on my whiteboard. So that's that for the sticker key. Now let's check the text key. Like I said, you can type whatever thing you want to type when you click on the text icon. Now let me just say, since he's riding a bicycle, let me say the journey of life. The journey of life. Assuming I'm creating a content, I think this text fits this simulation. So you see the journey of life. It is looking good. The next thing is the background. Like I told you, you can actually change the color of your background, or you can download a background from your gallery. When you click on it, it's showing you two options: select color, select image. So that's just all for the background. Then the next we'll be seeing is the hand. Now you see it's showing you different hands you can use from. You can use different hands to do your presentation. So let me just pick this. You can take anyone depending on the one you want. Now the next icon is the music icon. Now it's showing me two options: music track and voice over. Music track is that you can pick any soundtrack from your file manager to add to your animation. Voiceover is that you can actually do a voiceover by just clicking on that voiceover icon there. You'll be able to record your voice, to record yourself if you want to say anything in the whiteboard animation video. So sorry, I mistakenly exited the app. Okay, so the last key we'll be explaining is the plus key. That's this key here, the plus key. Now when I click on this key, I'll be able to add pages to my animation. You can see I've added 6 pages to my animation. Let's go to the first page. Okay, this is the second page, the third page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth. But when you want to work on a page, all you have to do is to click on it. So let me say, assume I want to work on the first page. All I have to do is to click on the first page, which is this page here. So click on the first page, which is this. That's all I have to do. So let me just click on it. Now, as you can see, this is my whiteboard. This is my page 1 of my whiteboard animation. So this will be all for now. This is basically all you need to know on the icons in order to create an animation using this app. This is basically all you need to know. Now this is it. I just played it. You can see how it works. Now if you want to play your video, maybe you want to test on a page, all you have to do is to click on this button here. Let me show you. Just to click on this button here. I've stopped it. I want to stop it so I can start it again. Right. So I'll just stop this thing. So now when you want to start it, all you have to do is to click on this button here. That's all you have to do. So let me start it again. So you see the hand we choose is going to show, the text we type is going to show. So that's all for now. Now if you learned something from this video, or if this video was helpful in any way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Like, you can say something in my comment section. Maybe you're not too clear on a particular icon I explained. Maybe you want more, you want me to explain more, or whatever thing you want. You can actually say something in my comment section. I'm going to see it and I'm going to reply you ASAP. So thank you for watching. Till the next video. Goodbye.